Hi, and welcome to Programming Homework Help. I'm Neil Harding, and I've been programming for over 30 years. I started off with assembly, moved on to C, C++, then did Java, and been doing Python for the past few years. I used to start with games, and I did Sonic 3D, which was the biggest game I've done. But I've done games on all sorts of consoles, PC and home computers. I then moved into mobile phones, where I wrote the Java Grounds Java to Brew converter, which takes in a Java program and outputs a C++ program that worked on the Verizon handsets. I've then been working on websites in Python using mostly Django. So I've got a wide range of experience in assembly language. I've done assembly language programs in 10 different processors, including some I've done for assignments for people. So that's in LC3, which is just an educational one. For Java, I've done very low level access to Java. I wrote a bytecode optimizer which takes the output of the Java compiler, reformats it, produces smaller code, and then I also did convert the code from Java into C++. And with Python, I've been doing my own Django extensions, which allow me to do all sorts of stuff. So if you've got any problems with any of these languages, then I can help you. We also have a team here of other programmers, and they can help you with problems in Lisp, Fortran, if that's still a thing. There's MATLAB. We also do SQL, if you have database problems, Prolog, what else have we done? There's a huge range of programming languages. If you've got any queries, just get in touch and we can let you know if we're able to handle it. One thing we've also done is we guarantee our results are 100% plagiarism free. We start an assignment from scratch each time. The worst I've had to do is I had to do 6 copies of the same assignment. Some student really liked the work and recommended his friends, and that was actually really hard because when you write code you tend to write it in a certain way. So I had to come up with 6 different ways of writing the same code. It wasn't just a question of renaming the functions and renaming variables. This was total restart from scratch and using a different approach each time. So that was challenging to come up with a different way, and no problems with that. So we can handle pretty much anything you can care to throw at us. So if you've got any questions, just contact us on the form and we can get back in touch with you with a quote that's personalised to you. It normally takes 24 hours to complete an assignment, although we can do them quicker. It's normally safer to let at least 24 hours. The more time you give us, the better we've got a chance to work with you. We can use TeamViewer if you need to control your machine, so we can get it working on your machine if you're having difficulties. We've got Skype and Facebook, so contact us if you need your help.